Hello y'all, welcome back or to my page. I am Nods and I do trendy DIYs or really whatever I feel like doing. Today I'm doing another rundown episode, which is basically where I do a DIY video as fast as I can because I know y'all have short attention spans and don't really care for the long explanation most of the time. Anyways, check out my Depop and Poshmark and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, the inspiration for this video, I actually saw this pants on Instagram. And yeah, let's get into the video. I have these and they have this like webbing on the inside, so it's gonna be a lot easier for what I'm about to do because it has this. But what you could do is put like a piece of fabric down, put a piece of fabric here and then sew the same type of sewing I'm gonna do, 3 lines, or glue 3 in 3 spots, just so you can put the string through here. It all makes sense as I go on, but right now I'm just about to sew 3 lines here. Okay, you're gonna see this. Okay, so again, ignore how messy this turned out, but basically you're gonna put the lace through here, one side through this side. This is the inside of the pants, one through this side and the other through the other, and then out the top, of course. Let me show you. Okay, it should look like this. There's a string at the bottom there, and here's the strings coming out the top. You can pull it and tug on it, and when you flip it to the other side, it will have that little raunched effect. That's why I recommend you only do it like on the waistband part, not where the crotch is, because it might make it fit weird. But yeah, so this is how it looks, and then you can tie these strings around your waist. So let me put them on.
On the balcony, all outside. In the mouth sweet, we out of town. I'ma fuck it till the sun go down. I want you, you want me and my law. I want loyalty, then I want love. Wanna argue with me about trust. Girl, what would you be without us? She got it wet, so it can wet. Girl, let go.